Hey everyone! Want a simple way to track your spending? Building an expense tracker in Excel is super easy and helps you see exactly where your money goes. In this quick guide, I'll show you step by step how to set one up. So let's get started. First, set up your table headers. Label columns for date, category, description, payment method, and amount. This gives you a clear structure to record every expense. Next, enter a few sample expenses to test your tracker. For example, type today's date, a category like groceries, a brief description, payment method, and the amount spent. This helps you see how the table works before adding real data. Now, format your data as an Excel table. Select your range, go to Home Arrow Format as Table, and choose a style. This makes it easier to sort, filter, and automatically expand as you add new expenses. Next, calculate your total expenses. Below your table, type equals sum and select the amount column. Press enter and Excel will automatically total all your expenses. To analyze spending, use categories. You can create a pivot table to sum expenses by category. Go to Insert, then Pivot Table. Select your table and drag category to rows and amount to values. Now you can see which categories take most of your money. For a quick visual summary, add a chart. Select your pivot table, go to Insert Arrow Chart, and choose a pie or column chart. This lets you instantly see where your money is going each month. Yeah, super helpful for budgeting. And that's it. With this simple Excel setup, you can track your expenses and stay on top of your spending. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Excel tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.